Hello students, exercise 10.3. In exercise 10.3, the first question is construct a triangle DEF in which D is equal to 5 centimeter. देखो तुम्हें बनाना है DEF. DE is 5 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter और EDF is 90 degree. This is rough figure. लेकिन हम एक्चुअल में कैसे बनाएंगे? यहाँ सिंस इट इज़ 90 डिग्री एट डी, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक डी एज अ बेस. डी को बेस ले लो, मेक इट एज 5 सेंटीमीटर. डी पे कंस्ट्रक्ट एन एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री, द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ 60 एंड 120. ठीक है, डी ई एफ नेचुरली एफ पॉइंट ऊपर होगा लाइक दिस, और डी एफ दिया हुआ है 3 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ 3 सेंटीमीटर की आर्क कट कर लेना. And then join F and E, you will get the final triangle DEF. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, in which the length of its equal sides is 6.5 and the angle between them is 110. Means if we draw the rough figure, triangle is ABC, in which the two sides equal sides is 6.5. ये भी 6, this is 6.5, this is 6.5 and the angle between them is 110 degree. Now how to draw it? Take AB as a base. Take AB as a base. Now at A draw an angle of 110. Now 110 cannot be drawn with the help of a compass, because only the 15 multiples can be drawn with the help of compass. Means after 90 it is 105. So 110 you will have to draw it with the protractor. 110 is obtuse angle triangle, so it will be like this. ऐसे बनेगा. And then AC is 6.5. Cut here the arc of 6.5. ABC, it is C. Then join this. This is your final triangle 110. 110 you will draw with the protractor, but 90, since 90 is made with the help of a compass, you have to draw it with the compass. Question number 3. In question number 3, construct triangle ABC with BC. देखो the rough figure is like this. ABC, BC is 7.5, AC is 5 and angle C is 60 degree. So how you will draw it? This is rough figure. So how will you draw its fair figure? Since C is 60 degree, so rather than BC, make the triangle CB. ऐसे बना लो. And here with the help of arc, make an angle of 60 degree. And BC is 7.5. AC is 5. So from C, cut an arc equal to 5 centimeter. Mark as A and join AB. This is your final triangle. All the 3 questions are very, very easy. Now exercise 10.4. Yes. In exercise 10.4, the first question is construct a triangle ABC. Rough figure बनाते हैं. The ABC. AB is angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 30 degree and AB is 5.8. So since the base which is 5.8 which is given as AB, so take AB as a base. Fair figure बनेगा इसका. Take AB as a base, take it as 5.8. At A draw an angle of 60 degree. B पे बनाओ 30. 30 is the bisector of 60 degree. Means like this. 60 इसका bisector, that is 30 degree. And join it at C. This is your final triangle ABC. Question number 2. Construct triangle PQR such that PQ is 5 centimeter, angle PQR is 105 degree and angle QRP is 40 degree. PQR is 105, PQ is 5 centimeter and angle QRP is 40 degree. But since the base is not given, तो you have to take the base as PQ. आपको PQ ही को ही base लेना है, because base you must be know in order to start any triangle. अब now Q is 105 but R is 40. R तो ऊपर है, तो we must know the angle P. तो angle P you will calculate with the help of angle sum property. That is 105 plus 40 plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. तो angle P comes out to be 180 minus 145. It comes out to be 35 degree. तो एंगल P आ गया 35 डिग्री. बस अब नाउ ड्रॉ इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ एट Q 105. 105 इज एन obtuse एंगल एंड इट इज बिटवीन 90 एंड 120. तो दिस इज योर फाइनल 105. यहाँ पे 105 बनेगा. P पे कितने का एंगल है 35. इट विल बी ड्रॉन विद द हेल्प ऑफ, नॉट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास, इट विल बी ड्रॉन विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर, क्योंकि 35 कैन नॉट बी ड्रॉन विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास. इट्स नॉट अ 15 मल्टीपल. तो दिस इज योर फाइनल ट्रायंगल PQR. Okay, it will be like this. And in this exercise, third question is not possible because only two angles are given, and in the two angles, the sum is greater than 180 degree. 110 plus 80 is equal to 190, and this is not possible in a triangle because in a triangle, the sum of two angles must be, three angles must be equal to 180. But in this, the sum of two angles is greater than 180, so third triangle is not possible. So this is still exercise 10.4. 10.5 I will send in next module.